Ever wondered why common health issues like high blood pressure, heart diseases and infections still persist despite all the medical advancements? In our modern era, we've seen remarkable breakthroughs in medical sciences, yet many of us are still grappling with these persistent health issues. It's a puzzling paradox that leaves us questioning the efficacy of modern medicine. But what if we told you there's a natural remedy that's been around for centuries? Often overlooked in our quest for sophisticated solutions, a remedy that's probably sitting right now in your kitchen pantry, as common as a clove of garlic. Yes, you heard it right. Garlic, the humble ingredient in your favorite spaghetti bolognese, might just be a potent antidote to some of these prevalent health problems. From ancient Egypt to modern times, garlic has been revered for its potential medicinal properties. But could this unassuming bulb truly be the key to better health? Could a humble clove of garlic hold the key to better health? Let's unravel the mystery. Garlic, a common kitchen ingredient, has more to it than just adding flavor to your dishes. Let's delve into the world of garlic and its surprising health benefits. This pungent, bulbous plant, a cousin to the onion, is packed full of compounds that have been shown to benefit your health in numerous ways. Firstly, garlic is a potent antibacterial agent. It contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria, including E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. This means that garlic could potentially help your body fight off infections and keep you healthy. Now, let's talk about your heart. Garlic has been shown to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, two major risk factors for heart disease. Studies have shown that consuming garlic regularly can reduce total and LDL cholesterol by about 10 to 15%. Furthermore, garlic can help lower blood pressure, making it a natural ally for your cardiovascular health. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. It's also a potential cancer fighter. Certain studies have suggested that regular consumption of garlic could reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach and colon cancers. This is believed to be due to garlic's rich array of antioxidants, which can neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. But what's really intriguing about garlic is that it's not just these individual benefits that make it so remarkable. It's the synergy of all these benefits working together. It's how the antibacterial properties support your immune system, how the cholesterol-lowering effects support your heart, and how the potential cancer-fighting properties help protect your body. Intriguingly, these health benefits are backed by science. Numerous studies have been conducted over the years supporting these claims about garlic's health benefits. It's not just folklore or ancient wisdom, but actual scientific evidence. So garlic isn't just a culinary superstar, but a health champion as well. The humble garlic bulb, often overlooked in the kitchen, truly deserves a moment in the spotlight. So next time you're cooking, remember that you're not just adding flavor, but also a host of health benefits. But how does a small clove of garlic achieve these remarkable health feats? Well, it all starts with a compound called allicin. Allicin is the primary active ingredient in garlic, and it's responsible for that unmistakable pungent aroma we all know and love, or sometimes love to hate. When a garlic clove is crushed, chopped, or chewed, an enzyme called allinase is released, which reacts with allin, another compound found naturally in garlic, to form allicin. Allicin is a volatile compound, which means it quickly breaks down into other sulfur-containing compounds. These include diallyl disulfide, diallyl trisulfide, and others. It's these sulfur compounds that are the real heroes in our health story. Diallyl disulfide, for instance, has been found to have potent antimicrobial properties. It can wage war against bacteria, viruses and fungi, making it a natural ally in our body's constant battle against disease-causing microorganisms. Diallyl trisulfide, on the other hand, has been shown to protect the heart. It helps to lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and even prevent the formation of blood clots. This makes garlic a heart-friendly food that can contribute to cardiovascular health. Moreover, these sulfur compounds have been linked to cancer prevention. They can help to neutralize harmful substances in the body and stimulate the immune system, reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. But the benefits don't stop there. Garlic's sulfur compounds have also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to soothe and heal inflamed tissues in the body. This can be particularly beneficial in managing conditions such as arthritis. In addition to all this, garlic is also a good source of vitamin C and B6, as well as the mineral selenium, all of which play crucial roles in supporting overall health. So you see, it's not just magic, it's science. The humble garlic clove is packed with potent compounds that can have a significant impact on our health. And the best part? It's all natural. Now that we know the science, it's clear why garlic is a potent natural medicine. So how can you incorporate this natural powerhouse into your daily life? Well, the good news is garlic is one of the most versatile ingredients out there. It can be added to a wide array of dishes, from soups and stews to stir-fries and salads. A clove or two can transform a simple dish into a flavor-packed meal. Plus, cooking with garlic can be a real joy. The aroma that fills your kitchen as you sauté it in a hot pan, there's nothing quite like it. If you're not much of a cook, fear not. Garlic supplements are available in most health food stores and online. They offer a convenient way to get your daily dose of garlic without having to peel or chop a single clove. Just remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions to get the most out of your supplements. But the versatility of garlic doesn't stop at the dining table. It's also a popular ingredient in home remedies. For instance, a hot garlic tea can soothe a sore throat, while a garlic-infused oil can help with earaches. Again, regular use is key. The more consistently you use garlic, the better chance you have of reaping its health benefits. So, whether you're a foodie, a health enthusiast, or someone looking for natural remedies, there's a place for garlic in your life. Incorporating garlic into your daily routine can be a simple and delicious way to boost your health. To sum it up, garlic is a natural solution that packs a punch. With its impressive health benefits ranging from boosting your immune system to staving off heart disease, there's no doubt that this humble bulb deserves a spotlight in your kitchen. Not to mention, its culinary potential is vast, enhancing the flavor of numerous dishes. Its power and versatility truly make it a staple in both health and gastronomy. So the next time you're cooking, remember, a clove of garlic a day can keep the doctor away.